In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Business Portfolio in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect, so you can remove a business portfolio safely and confidently. Before we begin, make sure you have the right level of access. You need to be an admin of the business portfolio you want to delete. It's also a good idea to download any reports, invoices, or creative assets you might need later, because this action will affect access to connected assets. Double-check you're working on the correct portfolio, especially if you manage more than one. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. Look for the official Meta domain in the search results to avoid phishing sites or lookalikes, and click the correct link to open the app. When prompted, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials that are tied to the business. If you manage multiple profiles or portfolios, confirm you're in the right one by checking the name in the top navigation. If it isn't the one you want to remove, switch to the correct portfolio before proceeding. Once you're in, head to Settings. You'll usually find this in the left-hand navigation or along the bottom of the sidebar. Inside Settings, look to the left-hand menu and select Business Info. This is where key details about your business portfolio live, and it's also where the deletion control is located, so take a moment to confirm you're viewing the portfolio you intend to delete. In the Business Info page, locate the option labeled Permanently Delete Business. It typically appears in the top right corner of the page. Click it and read the confirmation details carefully. Meta may display reminders about what will be impacted, so pause to review anything important. Next, follow the on-screen prompts. You may be asked to select a reason for deletion and to enter your personal Facebook password for security. This is normal and helps protect your account. Confirm the deletion when you're ready. After you schedule the deletion, Meta applies a 24-hour waiting period before the portfolio is fully removed. During this time, avoid making any changes to the account or its assets. Treat the portfolio as locked down so the process can complete without interruption. Once that waiting period ends, the portfolio will be removed. That's the full process. If you prepared your backups and verified the right portfolio, deletion should be smooth and straightforward. Thanks for watching, and take care when managing your business assets.